Good morning, Dubai. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a brand new episode of Face to Face, a chit chat session where we showcase talented individuals and create an opportunity to know them better. And today, we are really excited to bring such a wonderful personality who came all the way from UK. Nah, not from United Kingdom, from United Kerala. Born and brought up in small city of Kerala, moved to Saudi Arabia to chase his dream. Later, he realized to chase his dream, he should not be in Saudi Arabia. He should be in City of Gold, and moved to this beautiful country. Eventually, got connected with Toastmasters. There, the journey begins. So, ladies and gentlemen, with a beautiful smile on your face, tons of love in your heart, big round of applause. Let us welcome the most humble person in this fraternity, the leader, the mentor, and the champion of District 105, the one and only distinguished Toastmaster Hashim Halim.
Thank you, Toastmaster Chanel.
Good morning, champion.
Good
How are
morning,
you?
good morning, everyone.
How are you feeling?
Very good today. I'm always excited to be here at Friends of Yoga on Friday morning. Lisbella didn't ask me that question yet, but yeah, there's a special energy in Friends of Yoga. I think everybody who's here experiences that and knows that, and that's what brings you back every Friday morning. Whatever be your, however your week has gone, whatever be, however busy your schedule is, you're always here on Friday morning to start off your weekend with Friends of Yoga.
Great. First of all, let me, on behalf of our family, congratulate you for winning District 105 Championship. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you,
We would
everyone.
like to know the journey from we stopped 2 years before at Lee Meridian on this finale and to this championship. Can you please describe us your preparation about this championship?
Okay, so I'm a firm believer in one thing that you don't prepare, just for an event. It's more important to work on your skills yourself, because and that's what that will help you to build a better contest speech or build a better specific event based speech. I think it's more important to work on yourself, and you can do that every single meeting. And Friends of Yoga gives the best platform for that because you have a meeting every week, right? So you can use the opportunity to develop something, maybe one small step, maybe one style or one technique or just your confidence. And that all counts towards building your contest speech. Now, 2 years ago, I was in the finals of DTAC, which was held in Dubai, and I did not play. So I had in my mind that yes, I would come back next year and put up a stronger speech. Next year, well, I took up the area director role, so I could not participate last year. But that gave me a lot of time to plan my speech, think about my speech, and in between, COVID struck, and we were all locked up. Uh, Work was anyway very light, unfortunately for most of us. So that gave a lot of time to actually think and plan and decide on not my subject or my speech, but what I wanted to do, what I wanted to work on, what I wanted to improve. And participating in the meetings gave me the chance to try many things out. I tried my speech out many times. I practiced the speech maybe 100 times. I've written many versions of it, written, rewritten. The speech was very different when I started off, but then I kept modifying and changing until the contest came, and then it took a different form. I put some more life into it, and many changes along the way. Worked with people to build it up. Yeah.
Great. Thank you so much. That is the main key, ladies and gentlemen. Preparation, practice. So please do follow our champion. Hashim, your fan wants to know what is the secret behind your creativity?
I don't know if there is that much creativity to be spoken about over here. However, I think whether you talk about creativity, whether you talk about speech, whether you talk about performance, there is one key factor, and that is confidence. So that's what you work on. You work on your confidence, then the rest of your systems work, correctly. It's just like what Toastmaster Shaji was speaking about in his speech. You work on your host, you work on your immunity, and then it does not matter what the agent is. So at the core of your speaking journey is your confidence. That's what you came to Toastmasters to build, right? Because you wanted to develop that. You wanted to be confident on stage. You wanted to be confident when you speak. So as long as your confidence grows, then your natural abilities, natural skills, or the skills you want to develop actually come out. So I think the core is to work on your confidence. Creativity will come if you're brave enough to try things. So build your confidence, and then the rest of it falls into place.
You mentioned about confidence. What is that one factor bring you more energy in your speech?
Okay. That's actually a good question. So the speech, when we speak about speech, we always talk about many advanced things. We talk about adding humor, storytelling, a lot of things we speak about. These are all important, of course. But I believe that, the foundation has to be correct always. Get your basics right, the rest of it falls into place. So, you have your core message, what is important, what you want to convey to the audience. You have that done. You select the story that you want to say, which will connect with your audience. This has to be first in place. And then you put in the secret ingredients, which will make any speech work. Do you want to know what that secret ingredient is?
Please.
Yeah. It's a secret. Maybe you have heard it 1 million times, but you never realized it. The secret ingredient, the only thing that will make your speech work for you, is your heart. If you put your heart into what you say, and if you speak from your heart, that will work. Otherwise, however beautiful your language is, you can take Shakespeare's sonnet and read it. It is just going to be like a newsreader. It's just going to be something that you read. It's just going to be an essay or English comprehension. If you want it to be something that connects with your audience, then speak from your heart. So first, get your message in, speak, get your emotions out. Then any speech you give will be really good.
Thank you so much. So, ladies and gentlemen, speak from your heart. And now move to the next question. Hashim, Friends of Yoga is blessed with many talents like you who can be a future champions. What is that one piece of advice to them?
Yeah. So the one piece of advice, I talk so much that it's difficult to give one, but anyway, I'll give one. If I could say one thing, that would be to be focused on your development. There are a lot of things that happen and go on, especially in Friends of Yoga. We have a lot of fun. There are a lot of things, happening. There are good events. You just get driven into it. But in your mind, remember that you joined Toastmasters with a specific purpose. You wanted to improve your confidence or your speaking or your presentation or grow in leadership, something. You had an idea in mind. Make sure that you keep track of how you're progressing. Every meeting gives you an opportunity to improve something. So plan in your mind, okay, today I want to maybe, try one sentence of humor in what I'm doing. And you can do that in any role you take. Even the timer role, you can be creative, you can be about it. But make sure you utilize every meeting to improve even one step. Even very little bit also is fine, but all of this put together will get you to, a much better position. So focus on your improvement. Don't put yourself behind. Make sure you are improving in every meeting.
Thank you, Hashim. So, ladies and gentlemen, focus on your improvement. Hashim, Toastmaster Gigi, right?
Yes.
I asked him, Gigi, what is that one question you would like to ask to the champion? So he said, when we can sit for a drink. So not only Gigi, most of us are waiting for that answer. So just keep that answer aside. Let's move to a rapid fire just for 30 seconds. Who is your best friend in Toastmasters?
I have so many that I cannot finish it in 30 seconds. So
Okay.
everyone, yeah.
Describe yourself in 3 words.
Happy, daring, and content.
Your favorite path in Pathways?
Presentation mastery is my favorite path.
What is your dream car?
Dream car.
Yes.
Dream car is Lamborghini.
Wow. The best book to refer?
Facebook.
And the last question. Which one you like the most? The sanitizer or the mask?
That's a very tough question. I would say apply the sanitizer on the mask and wear it.
Thank you so much. This is the creativity, Hashim, we were talking about a little bit earlier. So thank you so much for your time, and we wish you all the very best for your upcoming speeches. And we would like to see you as a champion of world public speaking. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's it from face to face. We will come with another individual to know them better. Till then, miss me, masalama.